Hi, my name is Buck Bonner and I work for MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. I'm standing on the back of the 2019 R22 we have on the sales dock in Bald Ridge Marina. Starting at the transom of the boat, this boat has a nice big swim platform. It makes it very easy, gives you a good spot to put your gear on, or if you're just hanging out in the water and everyone's swimming, it gives you a good spot to sit. You've also got access to some small storage compartments on the transom of the boat. It's great for putting your ropes in when they're not in use, or gloves or any other accessories that you use while riding. You've got your pop-up ski pylon. It's great for tubing and skiers. As you can see next, you have a nice big sun pad on the back, so that's great for the family hanging out on the boat, or it provides a nice seating area. You have your transom walk-through with the synthetic teak flooring. It's very soft on the feet, doesn't get hot, it's non-skid surface. You'll also have lots of storage up underneath, or access to your plug-and-play ballast bags. Moving down inside the boat, as you can see offhand, you have nice U-shaped wraparound seating. You're going to have your port side flip-up backrest. Gives a good spot for someone inside the boat or a family member to watch your rider, let the driver know when the rider falls. Also, you have your rear-facing camera, so the driver alone from the Tige 7-inch screen could watch his rear-facing camera just to see how the rider's doing and not have to look up for any rearview mirror. The Tige 7-inch touchscreen also allows to control the major functionalities of the boat from the screen at the push of a button. It's touchscreen and there's some manual buttons as well. It controls everything from the ballast setups to the speed control to your lighting on the boat, many different features. This boat also comes equipped with the M2 tower, which is a manually folding tower. It's great for storing the boat. Wet sound audio system, 2 tower speakers here. You'll also have subwoofers and speakers throughout the rest of the boat. Lots of storage on the boat. You'll have flip-up storage compartments finished out with synthetic teak below. The boat's going to come with a full cover and a swim platform cover. As we move towards the bow of the boat, you can see that this boat has a little different shape. It's a pickle fork bow. The pickle fork bow is going to give you a little additional space in the bow, room for 1 or 2 more people. You've also got storage in the center with built-in cup holders and billet aluminum grab handles. This is a very well-performing boat, and there's a lot of features packed into a 22-foot boat.